So next we have another example, that is 11th one. Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Right, I'll repeat the question once again. See, sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square, right? Sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Right, if the difference of their perimeter is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. So we know that a square has four equal sides, right? A square is a quadrilateral in which all the sides are equal and each angle is exactly equals to right angles or 90 degree, right? And also the area of a square is side into side, and the perimeter of a square is sum of its four sides, right? So the sides of the two squares, the sides of the square be x and sides of the another square be y, that is so the sides of the two squares be x meter and y meter, their perimeters will be 4x and 4y, that is sum of its four sides. So the perimeter of first square will be 4x and the perimeter of the second square will be 4y respectively, and their areas will be x square and y square, right? So we know that areas of a square is side into side, a into a, that is a square. So here we take x as the unit of the a side of the unit of a square, be x. So therefore areas of a square is x square and area of another square be y square, right? So sum of, according to the question, see, sum of the areas of two squares is 468 meter square. If the perimeter of the square perimeter of the meter of a square is 24 meter, find the sides of the two squares. Right, so the sides of two squares be x and y meter, and their perimeter will be 4x and 4y respectively, and their areas will be x square and y square respectively. It is given that see, sum is nothing but plus. So sum of the areas of squares is that is x square plus y square is equals to 468. So according to the given condition, if the difference is nothing but minus, so the difference of their perimeters, that is 4x minus 4y, which is equals to 24. If the difference of their perimeter is 24, that is 4x minus 4y equals to 24. When we divide throughout the equation by 4, we get 4 ones are 4, 4 ones are 4, 4 6 are 24, that is x minus y equals 6. Therefore x is equals to, when we transpose this minus y from LHS to RHS, minus y becomes plus y. So therefore x is equals to y plus 6. X is equals to y plus 6. Right, so according to the first condition, sum of the areas of two squares is 460. So that is so areas of the first square is x square and the area of the second square is y square. So that is x square plus y square is equals to 468. So here instead of x we take y plus 6 or 6 plus y whole square plus remaining y square is equals to 468. So now it is in the form of a plus b whole square. So we know that a plus b whole square, the factors of a plus b whole square is first a square and b square plus 2ab, right? So here we have a is 6, so a square is nothing but 6 square, so 6 square we can multiply 6 into twice, we get 6 6 36, plus b square, b is y, that is y square, plus 2 6 2ab, a is 6 and b is y, 2 6 12 into by, right? So a square 3 6 square, that is 36, plus b square is y square plus 2ab, so 2 6 12, 12 into y, 12y, then remaining y square, which is equals to 468, right? So that is sum of the areas of two squares is 468, that is 468. So when we add these two, see, plus x 1 plus 1, it is 2y square plus 12y plus 36 is equals to 468. 468. So now see, 2y square plus 12y plus 36, this plus 468 we can transpose from RHS to LHS, we get minus 468, which is equals to 0. Therefore 2y square plus 12y, see, when we subtract 36 from 468 we get 8 minus 6, 2 6 minus 3 3, then 4, greatest symbol, it is 4 minus, so 2y square plus 12y minus 432, which is equals to 0. Divide the equation throughout by 2, we get see, 2 ones are 2 ones are 2 ones are gets cancelled, then remaining y square plus by 2 2 ones are 2 6, that is 6y, minus, see, this is by divide by 2, so 2 2s are 4, 2 ones are 2, then remaining 1, it is 12, 2 becomes 12, 2 6 are 12. When we divide throughout the equation by 2, we get y square plus 6y minus 260 equals 0, right? Therefore y square, see, where the factors of 216, when we multiply the given terms, minus 216, the factors of this, I can take plus 18 and minus 12, see, plus into minus 18 into 12, when we multiply these two we get minus 216, when we add and subtract this, we will get the middle term plus 6, right? So when we multiply, when we by taking splitting the middle term, here the middle term plus 6y instead of plus 6y, so we should take plus 18y minus 12y, then remaining minus 216 and y square as it is, right? So this is a y square plus, instead of 6y we take plus 18y minus 12y minus 216 equals 0. So these two are the first group and these two are the second group. When we take y has common in the first group, so y has the common, then remaining y plus 18. In these two we should take minus 12 has common, then remaining y plus 18 equals 0. See, minus into plus minus 12 into y, 12y, minus into plus again minus 12 into 18, it is 216. So the given first factor y minus 12 y and the second factor is y plus 18 equals 0. When we equate the factors, the given first factor into is equals to 0. So that is y minus 12 equals 0, y equals minus 12 becomes plus 12, therefore y equals 12. When the second factor y plus 18 which is equating to 0, that is y plus 18 equals 0, y equals plus 18 becomes minus 18, so y equals minus 18. However, sides of a square cannot be negative, since the sides of a square are, if I take 12, so the first side of a square is 12 meter, and side of a second square, that is 12 plus x, so 12 plus x is 6, so 12 plus 6, which is equals to 18 meter. 18 meter. Hence, the sides of squares are 12 meter and 18 meters respectively. Okay, we'll continue in the next class. Thank you one and all. Have a nice day, children.